Hi everyone, this is my application. It's called Smart Parking. So, okay, sorry. Okay. Well, I started looking for a little information about the calculator. Then many the ideas came to my mind, but okay, you can see examples here. But finally, I decided to create a parking calculator. This application consists in that it will help you to be more effective when parking. Since it will tell you how long you have been and how much you have to pay. So you can see in your cell phone when entering your must scan a code, so will not be spent on paper. That is so good for the environment. Also, you will be able to research at different points in the application you will pay. It will be discount, so you will not have to make long lines. That is so bad. And you can have discounts and many more benefits. So for me, that is a great app. So this is my target audience. It's about 3 different people and different scenarios here. So yeah. This were okay. Many ideas came to my mind and then create them, these sketches. And after that, okay, here you can see the description about the page or the app. And after that, my wireframes here, and I gave them a bit of color. Oh, okay, wait. Yeah, of color here, but I needed to change some things like colors or icons here. So and this is my after the usability testing. They told me about some changes I needed to do in the app. So here is my refinements. I changed the color, the icons, and this is the result. I choose these colors, red because it's used mainly in park things or the cars or transition, traffic signs and many traffic uses. Green because it's attractive here and unisex, and the application for me is easy. This is my final design. Here, charge, pay, select your parking, the place, discount, and yeah, this is my all process book, and it's about smart parking, and I want to will be reality. But yeah, this is all. Thank you. Bye.